Ilisha? Where's Ilisha? Where's Ilisha? Yay! Yay! Is it? Let's find out some new things for float and sink activity.
I'm searching, yes.
Okay, did you find something?
Yes.
What? Can you show me?
Sponge.
Oh, sponge.
And two things you eat.
What is this? Show me.
Elephant.
Oh, elephant. And? Oh, you got the tissue and raisin and coin and fish. And did you get anything else? No.
And flowers.
And flower.
Ah! Pom-pom.
Okay. And
Sponge.
okay.
And cotton.
Okay.
And rubber band.
Okay.
Where is
And I can see the leaves. Is it float or sink?
here?
That leaves?
Yeah.
Bucket.
Mama,
Okay.
where is elephant?
Elephant is here.
Oh!
And then it's enough material and you have some more.
Ah!
What is that?
Razor, sharpener, and toy.
Wooden block. Okay. Now let's come. Take your own.
It's so heavy.
Oh, it's so heavy. Oh my God. Now fill glass. Let's see what happened after that. Now it's finished. You want more water?
No.
No? Okay. Now let's
Rubber. Yeah. He's float.
Is this float or sink?
Float.
Why?
Then
And what is this?
sharpener.
Oh, sharpener.
Razor.
Oh, this is eraser. This is sink. Now, this is rubber band. Rubber band is floating or sink?
Floating.
Floating. Why? Because it is very light in weight. And what is this?
Sharpener.
Sharpener.
Yes.
Sharpener is floating or sink?
Floating.
Why?
Because he
Be-
has.
Because it is very light in weight.
Yes. Light in weight.
Okay, and what is this?
Razor.
Eraser. Okay, it is floating or sink?
Sink.
Sink. Why?
Because he has no weight.
Because it is very heavy.
Yes.
Because it is very
Heavy.
heavy. Now, try
Raisin.
another thing. What is this? Show me.
Raisin.
Oh, raisins. Okay, let me check.
He's no.
They are floating and sink too. The good quality raisins are in the bottom and bad quality raisins are in the top.
Yes.
They both are sink and float.
Yes.
Okay, now what you have next?
Stone.
Stone. Okay, check. It is floating
Yes.
or sink.
No, sink is no.
It is sink, right? And then what is this?
Leaf.
Leaf. Leaf is floating or sink?
Floating.
What is this? Floating.
Yeah.
Okay. Now next So what do you have?
Fish.
Fish.
Yes.
Okay. Now it is
Floating.
floating.
Now sponge.
Sponge. Okay, it is also floating.
And
Wow.
coin.
Coin. It is.
No floating.
It is sink.
Yes.
And next thing, what is this?
Tissue.
Tissue.
One
Now
more.
fold it. Fold it in a square. It is white tissue.
Yes. Now
What we use it with the tissue?
nothing.
We clean our face and hands
And
and
napkin.
yes, it is help for cleaning. And then it is floating or sink.
Floating.
Now it is going down slow by slow, slowly. No, it is floating.
Now elephant time.
Elephant time. Okay. Uh-oh.
He's
Elephant is sink.
now.
Wait. Here's your elephant.
Now blocks time.
Wooden blocks. Okay.
One here.
One here. Okay. They both are
Floating.
floating. Right.
One more.
One more. Okay. What is this?
Pom-pom.
Pom-pom. Okay.
And cotton.
What? Pom-pom is floating or sink?
Floating.
Okay.
And pom-pom. And cotton. And
What is the use of cotton, Ilisha? Tell me the use of cotton.
Christmas tree.
We can clean our face. We can use in
Laptop.
doing a makeup or
Mm,
how can we get cotton with a tree or somewhere else? Where did you find the cotton? How it grow? How it grow?
TV.
Tree. You know it.
Yeah.
It's made with a tree.
Yeah.
No, it's made with a plant. Okay.
Okay.
Now, cotton time. Let's see what happened. It's floating and going down slowly, and it's little bit heavy, so that's why it's going down. Cotton get the water, so it's little bit heavy, and then it goes down. Now finished.
Yes.
Now say bye bye.
Bye.